just feel like doing this video to actually tell you people my observation on this YouTube channel, things I've observed on why some people with millions of followers start reducing at a time. Like if you're someone that have millions of followers, thousands of followers, and a time you notice that your followers are reducing. These are my observation, things I've noticed on my other channels, like that really cost you losing subscribers. So today I will tell you the basic things that I feel and I've noticed that is actually reducing your subscribers. And I feel number one of it is what? Changing your niche. If you're someone that is into lifestyle or someone that is into talking about finances and others, and at the time you start doing comedy, you don't feel that your subscribers will be happy and they are going to continue engaging on your post or engaging on your content. I don't think it's necessary. So if you're someone that is into lifestyle, just focus on your lifestyle. If you're someone that is into YouTube strategies and others, make sure you focus on it and look for different topics you can actually talk on it instead of changing your niche, or from lifestyle you now enter comedy and other. Your subscribers are not going to find it funny and they will start leaving. They'll unsubscribe from your channel and they will leave, and you notice that with time your subscribers will be reducing. So focus on that niche you are, but before you start it, make sure that this is actually a niche that you know that you can get ideas that you can talk on. So make sure you focus on your niche and don't leave your niche for anything. Number two is what? If you go to many channels or many posts, you see people saying sub for sub, doing stuff like that, is going to reduce your subscribers. Let me to you. Have you noticed that if you are someone that is doing something like that, you're asking someone to sub for sub, let's buy stuff like that, and you have like 30 subscribers this today, the next day you notice that they have gone back to 25. YouTube is going to reduce your subscribers for you because they feel that it's just like spamming your post and spamming your content. They are just subscribing, they are not watching your post, they are not engaging on your post. So YouTube will find it as a spamming message and they're going to reduce your followers. So if you're someone that is into sub for sub stuff and let's buy for stuff and you are getting people, make sure they're also engaging in your post, they're watching your videos and they're dropping comments and they're liking it. Without engagement, YouTube is going to reduce your subscribers and it will not be funny to you. So make sure you stop stuff like that, or even if you are doing stuff like that, make sure you watch people's video and make sure that people watch your video, not just subscribing or spamming your posts and spamming your content. YouTube is going to reduce your subscribers. There is no way about it. This is what I've actually observed on my other channels, and I will tell you for good that things like that will actually reduce your channel and reduce your subscribers. Your subscribers have moved on. Probably you are into lifestyle or you're into talking about YouTube strategies, and at a time they feel like they've gotten what they want and they'll just go. People move on in life, anything can happen. We are humans and we can change at any time. So people will actually move on whenever they get what they want and they don't feel like you are being useful to them again. They are going to leave your channel or unsubscribe to your channel. And so another one is what? Doing boring content. Maybe probably in the beginning you were lively and within a time you start being boring, or you start talking about a particular thing. You can talk about maybe a lifestyle, you just focus on, like, I don't know if you understand what I mean. You are just getting boring day by day and you are not giving them value for what they watch. They are going to leave your channel without looking back. So these are the things that I feel that I've noticed, and within some time I know that is actually one of the things that will actually make your subscribers to reduce. So number one, I said about changing your niche. Make sure you still focus on your niche and look for ideas that will make you create more videos on your channel under your particular niche. If it's something that you cannot do, that is why they said before you start your YouTube channel, make sure that the niche you are choosing is something that will be bringing ideas to your head, things that will be bringing ideas on topics on how you are going to create different videos and give people content, a value for what they watch. So make sure is it. Number two, don't do boring content at a time, you get, and don't do sub for sub. Even if you are doing it, make sure people are watching your videos, they are dropping comments, because without that YouTube is going to flag and reduce your subscribers. And maybe you're having 30 subscribers today, tomorrow you have 20 or 10. So doing something like that is one of the reasons your subscribers is going to reduce. So if you have watched to this level, please hit the subscription button and wait for my next video.